potential themes. To review our potential themes, we have to actually go back. First, we read our research topic and research question so that we can review the themes and see whether they fit with our research questions. For this case, our research topic is Young People, Identity and the Media, a study of conceptions of self-identity among youth in Southern England. I had these research questions. What is the perception of the research participants about their ethnicity? Self-perception among youth in Southern England. What is the opinion of youth in Southern England about how other people see them? Now, if you look at my research questions, you will see my research questions talk so much about perception. So if we look at the positive traits here, we can see our research questions. The first research question, what is the perception of the research participants about their ethnicity, talks about the theme of ethnicity. So this theme of ethnicity already answers my first research question. So we can say this is a complete theme. Let's look at this second theme, negative traits. If we look at our research question, what is the prevalent self-perception among the youth in Southern England? And then, what is the opinion of youth in Southern England about how other people see them? So these negative traits do not directly answer our research questions, okay? The first thing we can do is to rename or review this theme and revise this theme. And let's call this negative perceptions. And then we are going to have the next one. Remember, we are reviewing and revising our themes, which is the fourth step of reflexive thematic analysis. Now we have negative perception and positive perception. We can see these themes still do not answer our research question. We want the themes to answer our research question of what is the prevalent self-perception among youth in Southern England? What is the opinion of youth in Southern England about how other people see them? So we need something about self-perception, which will be both positive and negative, and other people's perception, which will be both positive and negative. And I want to create a new theme called self-perception, okay? And I want to create another one called other people's perception, okay? What does this mean? That for the negative perception, it can be either self-perception or other people's perception, okay? And for the positive, it can be either self-perception or other people's perception. Now, I have created the self-perception and the other people's perception as the themes that answer our research question. Under the self-perception, I want to create a new code and call it negative, and I want to create